In the room tour, we'll be going over some key items and locations, as well as some things to know about lab. Once you enter the room, on the left side of the door is a collection of items, including the escape route, the campus security number, a fire alarm, and some other general information that may be necessary. Now we'll continue on with our room tour. As we go further, we identify safety equipment, the first aid kit, then the fire blanket. Through the door we see there's a lab, safety shower, and eye wash station. Now we're going to show you the exit route. For fire emergencies, you would pull the fire alarm. For emergency route, you would go down these stairs and out the door. Now I'll demonstrate how to properly disinfect your table. You start by getting some paper towels and the disinfectant, MetroGuard. You will spray the table and ensure every area is wet. Do not attempt to dry the table fully. Once you have fully disinfected your table, you should follow this up by washing your hands. I will now demo how to operate the sink. The pedals for hot and cold are right below you. The soap is to your left and the towel is directly in front of you. From entering the room, on your right you will see the laboratory cart, including the gloves, as well as the MSDS or SDS sheet, containing all possible chemicals in the laboratory. You'll also notice that there's numerous resources for you as a student on this card as well. This concludes our anatomy and physiology laboratory contract overview, as well as the room tour for H230.